Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at NVIR, which is an exciting new platform designed to make the world of crypto much more fun and enjoyable to use, with lots of different features to talk about. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video to find out all about this amazing project. Obviously nothing I say on this video is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping over to the NVIR website, as always linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and find out more about it after the video. So there's a number of different features that I want to talk about today. Coming down below, we got brand new play to earn. If you don't know much about play to earn, well, it's a way that you can enjoy different games, etc., and be rewarded in crypto rewards that you could then switch into different currency, or you can use for more in-game purchases and other uses. You can see that they have a few different things here. We've got Bankoverse, contact-free meta finance service that allows users to enjoy NFT P2P investments more conveniently with innovative fintech technologies that combine blockchain technology and finance. They've also got the NHub and NVIR Market. The NVIR Market is an Ethereum-based NFT coin exchange which you can use to exchange NFTs and also lots of other different pieces on there. The NHub itself is a DeFi digital asset platform which allows you to exchange different tokens, etc. It will also allow you to stake NVIR tokens in order to earn various different rewards. Coming down below, we've got the white paper. We've also got the NVIR World X Club, which is an exclusive members club, 10,000 NVIR Space Pilot collection of Solana-based NFTs used as NVIR's World Digital membership cards. In terms of the white paper, you can jump across and take a look at that. Actually, a really cool white paper compared to lots of other ones I've seen. Very clear and easy to work out what's going on here, and you can scroll down through and find out loads more information here. Jumping into the NVIR World high-end NFT marketplace, this is a pretty cool platform. You can see down below we've got all the different NFTs, various different donations and things going on here. You can also browse on different categories to find out more of the NFTs, etc., that you might be interested in. As well as that, coming down below, you can see that you can create a wallet. You can also create collections and create your own NFTs. So if you've got an artistic streak in you, maybe you want to explore creating NFT collections, maybe you can go and create an NFT and be able to sell NFTs in order to get some money in return. There's also this really cool video that explains a lot more information about how the whole ecosystem works and how you can benefit from it. Jumping into the X Club, then we can see other cool stuff here. You've obviously got the NFTs scrolling across that are kind of like your membership tokens. What's special about NWX? Well, it offers premium NFTs. There's going to be a donation of 2.5% of royalty for secondary sales donated to organizations that revitalize the community. As an NWX member, you are contributing to important causes. Nground is the NWX membership lounge and is a unique customizable virtual reality environment. Treasure Island as well is a private auction service for NWX members. It is NFT based and open to NWX members only when rare treasures are discovered. And as well as that, coming down below, you can see here are the team members, all of them kind of with their own little unique character associated with them. If you want to go and find out more information, you probably have to delve into Twitter, etc. Maybe get across to the Telegram where you can interact more with the team members. Here you can see the NWX roadmap. Currently we are just at the end of Q3 2022 public sale. You can find NWX on a number of different platforms such as MEXC, as well as Bitmark and LBank exchanges. And in the future, I expect that you're going to be able to find them on more different exchanges as well. Coming down to the FAQs, there's lots more information available. In terms of how many NWX tokens are available, 20 billion combinations are possible. There are only 10,000 NWXs that exist in the world. No two combinations are the same, which makes them pretty cool and pretty unique. There's also some special ones that are kind of rarer and will come with their additional perks, etc. Jumping into the NHub then, guys, you can see a lot of interesting stuff here. We've got investments, where you can get into the market, you can do trading, you can understand different statistics, etc. You can look at the rankings of different coins and how they're performing against each other. You can also do things like staking, as well as that connecting your wallet to get the very best out of the platform. You can see that there's different options in terms of how long you want to stake for, as well as how many tokens you stake. Obviously, the more you stake for longer periods of time, the more rewards you're likely to receive. So you can see, obviously, with smaller amounts, you're going to be able to get better returns, but with larger amounts, you may see smaller returns, but ultimately that's not necessarily a bad thing if you want to put your money. But that's ultimately something that could be useful if you can see the NWX token potentially appreciating in value in the next year. And obviously, crypto being basically at the bottom, in my opinion, of a bull market, we have some exciting potential. If you can find these new projects that show great potential returns into the future, then buying in when the market of crypto is at the bottom could be very rewarding. Obviously, go and research that yourself before investing. Now, there's some cool features. Obviously, we've skimmed over a few of them. I just want to go into a little bit more detail on the Bankiverse, which is obviously this fintech innovation in the Web3 era. Obviously, everything in Web3 is very new, very exciting right now. And if anyone can cement themselves within Web3 early doors, then it's pretty much a no-brainer that we're going to see some explosive returns. A contract-free meta finance service, Bankiverse will introduce NFT technology, various existing financial investment products, and innovative contract-free finance markets, with the goal of becoming a sharing economic service, leading the fintech market in the Web3 era that's coming just around the corner. It's a very exciting time in the world of technology right now. The NHub as well, with introduction of a brand new type of technology that hasn't really been seen before, which is the S2KL2 system, which is a service to secure abundant liquidity and volume by lowering barriers of entry for DeFi transactions. Anything that introduces more people into crypto and lowers barriers for entry is something that is really positive in my opinion. They're also making inroads by introducing a groundbreaking convenience for users and minimizing the gas fees. NVIR Market is the only NFT marketplace with transparency and fairness based on a decentralized system, and as well as that, a rationalized service of a centralized system through hybrid technology. Jumping over to their Twitter page, guys, you can see it's already pretty well established with a ever-growing community. They're doing lots of different giveaways, reporting all their various news. You can see here, this is the details on all of the exchange launches that has happened very recently, just about 10 days ago or so. There's loads of other things coming up in the pipeline. They've got weekly AMAs as well as a Telegram group chat you can go and join to find out more from the team, more about the project, and how this might be an interesting project for you to become involved in. Everything I've talked about today is available, linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after the video. Now, another really cool thing about NVIR is that they also have a number of CBDC patents. CBDC is the central bank of digital currency, and they also hold patents with Shinhan Card Company, which is one of Korea's, if not Korea's largest credit card company. And this patent is for something very special indeed, because it enables them to create a patent for when the network is blocked, allowing for split purchases, sales of systems for cryptocurrency transactions. So when you can't get a transaction to go through for various cryptocurrencies for whatever reason, this platform will enable you to make those transfers, which is a very exciting thing. And they expect to aggressively increase and expand the usage and versatility of various blockchain technologies in conjunction with the ecosystem's growth. The technology will be able to expand the versatility of the blockchain technology and NVIR token and secure the market by connecting with platforms such as the NVIR Market, NHub, NVIR Land. In particular, the CBDC technology owned by NVIRworld will rapidly emerge as the next generation digital currency payment system. That is something massive, because cryptocurrency still has a few little tweaks that are needed in order to become a mainstream payment system. At the moment, obviously, fiat currency is still going to be ruling the roost when it comes to payments, in my opinion, because when it comes to trading with cryptocurrency, I've already mentioned, there can be various different issues that you might encounter along the way. Another really cool thing bringing the world of Web3 into reality is when people are creating various projects in real life. An NVIR Gallery will be opening in Gangnam, which is one of the coolest districts in Seoul, South Korea, in October 2022. So come coming up very, very soon. It's a 7-story art gallery that'll serve as an offline gallery, the NVIR Market, which will become a central of real and digital art, synchronizing with leading artists, collaborations, and drive NFT transactions. It's also going to expand people's knowledge of NFTs, because at the moment, many people around the world have no idea what even an NFT is. And the more people that learn about NFTs and the future of what they can produce for everyone is always going to be a good thing. And by being an NWX NFT card holder, you're going to have VIP access to the lounge, as well as all the different areas within the gallery. So something definitely worth paying attention to. If you are from Korea or you've ever found yourself visiting, this could be very exciting indeed. And if you haven't visited, I really recommend going, because Seoul is one of the coolest cities that I've ever been to. So in summary, guys, NVIR is trying to make the world of cryptocurrency more exciting, more interesting for many other people out there who may not have dabbled in crypto so far. There's play to earn gaming, NFTs, and much, much more available. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Go and check out everything I talked about just now through the links down below. And if you're new to the channel, you want to find out more about Web3, crypto, and NFTs, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon with another video.